안녕하세요, 김 선생입니다. 일주일 동안 잘 지냈어요? How you been? 오늘은 그 AUHSD 그 세 번째 프로젝트를 하는 날입니다. Today we're gonna do the third project of AUHSD's COVID-19 프로젝트인데 세 번째는 그 소셜 미디어 포스트인데요. So we're gonna talk about the social media post. 그다음에 소셜 미디어 포스트 할 때 가장 중요한 것은 when we do the social media post, the most important thing is copyright. 그래서 copyright. Why copyright is important? Because if you use somebody else's picture that is copyrighted, you could get into trouble, right? 그래서 how you can, get the picture that you can reuse in the social media. 그 다음에 어떤 거가 가장 소셜 미디어 캠페인에 중요한 건지. What is the most effective way to do your social media so you can have many likes or you can have many exposures or shares. Okay? 감사합니다. 자, 그러면 let's learn it. Okay, so let's say I want to do like according to the BBC News, the best way to make a effective social media post, like a Facebook post, Instagram post, let the picture tell the story, and then a few words to supplement, right? So, and then you have to decide what you want to say. So you have to decide what you want to say. What I want to say is how South Korea responded COVID-19 versus United States. What are the differences? Okay. So first, let's go to COVID-19 USA. Hit it. 여기 보면은 image. So when you go image, there's a lot of different thing. Okay. And then over here, the most important thing is you go to tool and then you go to usage right. And then usage right is important. So, it says label to reuse. It means you have a right to reuse. And the non-commercial use modification, reuse with the modification. Let's go the kind of broad one. Okay, label to use. Okay, so there is a lot of a different one here, right? So let's say I want to use this one. Okay, it talks about the COVID-19 per capita cases. Okay, you can download this, or you can screenshot this, or this is a 6 days ago, 1 day ago, and then so let's go to what I want to try to say is what was like a week ago in US. Then I simply go here. You can screenshot this. And then also you can save the link, right? Go over here, and then you can do new tab, and then you can do Google Drive, and make it Google documents. So later you can cite where you got the picture, right? And then let's go back to here, and then let's go to COVID-19 한국, South Korea, and then compare. Okay, so this is how long ago. Let's see. And then let's screenshot this. And then when you look at the date, you click here, density, and then what you can do is you can create another Google slide. Now what I'm trying to say, okay, let's do the slide format, apply layout, and then you can import the picture, upload from computer. Okay, there's one for South Korea, US, boom. And then upload the picture. South Korea. And then we learn in the class US is a 미국. 한국. So as you know, this picture it was 6 days ago, right? So, and then you can say that was like April 30, 2020, 한국, April 20, 2020. And so when you see this post, I don't really have to tell, right? Wow, versus South Korea, what's going on, right? And then you can, write what do you really want to say here. You can talk about why this is happening, and the South and the U.S. had the same COVID-19 in the first day in the early January, right? And then why this much difference? And then Korea is more denser than USA, right? So hope you get the lesson. Okay, so when you see this picture, you can see like, wow, look at US, wow, look at South Korea. I mean, I don't really need to tell a lot. I all just use word 미국, 한국, and then the dates, right? And so this picture will tell the story, right? So when you put like a post like in the social media, and then obviously people gonna have a reaction. They may say like, upset, angry, sad, okay? And then they may add their own feeling to it, and then they can share it, and then not share it, or you can add your opinion about these facts, and then and from that on. So the goal of the social media post is because people see like hundreds of the Instagram posts, and then maybe thousands some people a day. So you want to have a really strong image to tell your story and show them precise. So difference between the letter writing versus the newspaper. Social media is let the powerful image tell your story, and then supplement with a few words, okay, that really say what you want to say. And the last thing, the most important thing is make sure look at when you search the picture, make sure you are able to use that picture without getting trouble with the copyright laws, right? So you do the Google search, you can use a modification or reuse, and then however you want it, and then save the link, okay? And so that you can give a credit to the people who create that image, right, for us to use. Okay, 감사합니다. Thank you.